Hello and welcome back to another episode of Mountain Man. Okay, I'm going to be telling you a bit about my Makita dual driver combo kit and how I've got it set up. Okay, so this is a Makita Makita 3 I've got it in. Okay, it's quite nice, no complaints about that. I'll just step you through it top to bottom. Okay, so I've got a nice foam lid to this, a foam insert. I've also got a plastic insert in the bottom that Makita makes. I'll make sure I put this all in the link below. I'll just step you through top to bottom. This is a nice handle that comes with the drill. Haven't had much usage out of this, but I might eventually get a bit of usage out of it. So here's a depth stop for that. Haven't had any use out of this, but I think it'd be good to have. Okay, here's a kit I was gifted. It's got star pieces, Phillips head and flathead, and I'll have this linked below. This is a Makita set. It's made in China. Here's the Makita bits that come with the dual driver kit. They're alright, good beginner bits. Here's my complete set of all bits for the impact driver. So I've got all lengths of Phillips head and flathead and countersinking bits, and I've got everything. Socket adapters and stuff like that. I'll put them all in the link below. I've got a Renegade drill kit, which I like. It serves me well. Now we're up to the good part. So here's a DTD171 Makita brushless 18V impact driver. So it's got the nice control panel on the bottom, which has bat and screw mode, bolt mode, tech screw 1, tech screw 2 modes, which I've actually had a fair bit of use out of. So I tell you what, this is no complaints with this thing. Although it is made in China, I've got no complaints. I haven't had any troubles with it. I've owned this over about 7 months, I think, and no complaints. So I've got also a spare 6-amp battery on this, on the impact wrench, and a spare 6-amp battery in the case, because you always have to have one spare. Okay, so here I've got the brushless DHP481 and Makita drill. Okay, it's made in China again, but the chuck is made in Japan. Okay, it's brushless, like I've said, I think. It's got a 6-amp battery on it. It's got a nail bag hook. So's the impact driver, which I find very useful. It's got a 2-speed, but you can all find this out on the website and stuff like that. What the website doesn't tell you is, in use, this thing's a beast. Okay, it's one of the best I've ever used. But that's not much to say. I haven't used much, so anyway, you can't go wrong with this drill. What else can I tell you? I've got the DC18RC rapid charger. So I've never run out of batteries that are charged. So that's about it. I don't know what else. Quickly let's tell you about. So I skipped over these. The Renegade auger bits. So quad flute. Just, it is what it is. It attaches to impact driver, and I tell you what, these are a beast. I've used my father's set, and you have to pick up a set. They're amazing, okay? You can't go wrong with these. They range from 16, 18, 20, 22, 25 and 32 millimeters. And they're made out of carbon steel. I tell you what, these things are self-feeding. These things are must-have for anyone. Anyway, that's about it. Mountain Man signing out.